Guys, my name is Max and welcome to my movie channel. Today's video was going to be an unboxing, however I kind of cut open all the boxes. I had 3 packages, 2 small, 1 large, the majority of them coming from Sam Hill from Abaroquehouse. Those are limited edition pickups, and I also ordered one many months ago. The majority of these came in today, 3 of them. I got 5 copies here, 5 movies here, but 2 of them did come months ago. So we're going to start off with the one that came months ago. That was In Trails of a Beautiful Woman. Now this one, I forget exactly who the director was, but it was the same director, and I regretfully forget the name of the movie. It was the same director as that last release. I have one other release from him. That was the one that I had picked up a while ago. The black and white film, 1968. And his name isn't on the back of this, but it was basically the one where the guy goes into the nursing student housing dormitory full of women and goes kind of nuts. I was going to do an impromptu review of that film, but I never did because it was impossible. There was too much nudity and stuff. So anyways, we got this one. This is another film that he is involved with. It is In Trails of a Beautiful Woman. Looks pretty creepy. I hear that there's a sci-fi element, and look, you can actually see kind of like a werewolf dude in the background. So that looks pretty cool. So we got that one. The next one that came in a little while ago was from Sam Hill, Sadistic Pleasures. Now this one I think is about a serial killer or something like that. This is a limited edition. If I'm not mistaken, there's only 300 copies of these. And the reason I really like Abaroquehouse is all of their stuff is, the majority of it is limited printed, and everything pretty much becomes a collector's item to people who know about them. And yeah, this was a pretty, and everything they sell is reasonably priced. This was originally 15 bucks. I had a coupon. I think with shipping I paid $12 for this one, so pretty happy about that one. And then let's see, these 3 actually came in today, so I got to cover up these 2 little parts here. But this here is called Love Dump, and yeah, pretty creepy. Let's see here. Limited edition. Probably again 300 copies, though it doesn't say. If you guys know anything about Sam Hill and the Abaroquehouse, this one is like their most sought after release. I think this is the 3rd time that they actually printed this film, although I could be wrong. They had a DVD. They have a VHS. I've seen some people with it. And then this is the Blu-ray. So I decided to get the Blu-ray. This was also 15 bucks. Not a bad price, especially since it's a limited production item. All right, now going into the other 2 that came in today. This one is Blue Android. Haven't seen this one either, but I heard a lot of good things about it. My buddy Us Only really recommends it, and as well as a few other people that I spoke to about it. This one says it right on the back, limited to 300 copies. I don't know if you're going to be able to make that out. Probably not. But that leads me to believe that all the other stuff that they've released is a limit of 300 copies as well. So looking forward to watching this one. Looks pretty creepy, bloody. So we'll check it out. If I can do an impromptu review of any of these, I will. But something tells me that I won't be able to, because I did one of their releases, Vania or Vanya, and I couldn't show much because it was just naked girl all over the place. So those were, oh sorry, this one is the last one that came in today, and also the last one that I picked up recently. And this one is Green Hell. Again, I think this is about another serial killer, or the same one. Looks pretty creepy. Limited edition, again, 18 years only or over. Actually, 21 or over. But it doesn't exactly say. It says that it was printed on November 20th of 2019. So we got that much information. And yeah, I can cover this part and I can show you the back. So yeah, it looks pretty creepy, you know. Gonna be looking forward to checking out all of these. I'll just give you a quick one more rundown of it. In Trails of a Beautiful Woman. I'm really sorry I don't remember the exact information of the director. His name is not on the back. And I don't remember the name of the film that I watched. It was really good. But I'm looking forward to watching this one. If you guys go back and you could see the one that I picked up from him where I say his name and everything. So yeah, In Trails of a Beautiful Woman. Boom. Got that one. Next up was Sadistic Pleasures by Abaroquehouse and Sam Hill, limited edition Blu-ray. Okay. Next up was Green Hell, also Abaroquehouse, a limited edition DVD release. Their DVDs, by the way, I forgot to mention, they go for $10 each. The Blu-rays go for $15 each. And yeah, their shipping is very reasonable. It's only $5 flat rate. If you order, like, I don't know, a bunch of stuff that's even, it's still gonna be $5, So pretty good. Now let's see here. Got Blue Android, another $10 item. This one says it flat out limited to 300 copies. So that's what, again, makes me believe that they're all limited to 300 copies. But if you check out their website, abaroquehouse.com, B-A-R-Q-U-E, not B-R-O-K-E. Anyways, you'll be able to find the information and see what they're limited to. And then we got Love Dump, which is the one that the majority of people told me is their best release, the most scary, disturbing release. So, I had to get the special edition Blu-ray. They have some of the special edition DVDs still. I've seen them. They were $10, and they're just a regular cover. But I really like this cover. It's just good artwork. I would show you the back, but I can't. So, never mind. But yeah, guys, anyways, that's pretty much what I picked up. A lot of stuff from Abaroquehouse. And I'm looking forward to watching them, perhaps, possibly, doing another impromptu review of a Abaroquehouse release. I do have Vania on my channel if you guys want to check it out. I think that was the last or the second to last video that I uploaded, something like that. And yeah, that was a really great film, so I'm really looking forward to watching the rest of these. I think that special effects wise and everything, they have a really good thing going, Sam Hill and Abaroquehouse. So I'm really looking forward to seeing what else they have in the future. So anyways, guys, thanks for watching this quick DVD unboxing video, Blu-ray unboxing video, Abaroquehouse unboxing video, really. Let's just call it what it is. And I'll catch you next time.